I was right on a branch of some kind. I hit a branch. Need a minnow. Fell off. Good Lord. Their minnows are pathetic. That's so wimpy. Here you go. It could be a crappie. Most likely a bluegill. No, that's a crappie. My God, on a worm, huh? That's not that bad a one. Look how dark they are. Man. All right, guys, we are on the board. Tell you what, get me a minnow when you get a chance. So they're on the edge of them lily pads. You just got to get really close. That's a pretty black male, guys. Let me film you here. All right, guys. She caught him on a worm and bobber. Didn't get a single bite on a minnow. That's what we're after, them real dark males. Awesome. Yeah. Okay. I guess go ahead and give me a minnow. I'm going to try to throw where you just did, real close to the lily pads, but with a minnow. You just ain't getting nothing away from them. They're real close to the thing. You got to be right up against them. It don't seem bad, whatever you got. See, they're bigger now. I told you. They're better looking anyway. I think they're better this time. It just, when we was here, it was really cold still. Too early. Now they're full spawn, black. So even the small ones look cool at least. Oh yeah, they're bigger. They were about an inch smaller last time. Worm or minnow? Okay, give me a minnow, I guess. I got my thing set shallower this time too. It's only about 2 feet. See, now I'm getting close to where I got hung up. I don't want to be right there. There's some, oh! I got it this time. It's small. Hey, I'm happy with these though. They're still an improvement. Plus they're real colorful. They're 7 instead of 5. See, the ones that are only willing to bite when it's real cold, them tiny ones sometimes. Except in December you get the real big ones. But March is horrible. March is a real bad month, at least here. All right, guys, nice little black. We're getting on them. That's fish number 3. 1 on worms and 2 on minnows. Okay, I need another, unfortunately, another minnow. I haven't tried one a whole lot. I'd eventually get one with a spinnerbait, so I want to try later. I want to try moving all around with a spinnerbait and crankbait and buzzbait. Swim bait I got on kind of the wrong color. It's green and white. It don't stick out very much. So. Come on, man. All this effort. Yes. There we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, not the one we're after, guys, but it is a fish. Had a half-hour slump. I know they're here. What they're doing is pecking at it one time and stopping. It's a little black male. Did you have one? You had a bite? Okay. Now it seems to be going backwards. At least you got him. Oh, I'm a worm. Oh, you got a worm and minnow at the same time. Yeah. Not horrible. Male again. Got the black cheeks. Maybe it just has to set a few minutes. They're not biting it right away. That's an improvement. I'll take them. At least it's a keeper sized. Right below my feet in the shade. Alright guys, another black. I only caught one white today. Usually it's 50-50 in here. Seems like the blacks are biting and not the whites. It's not a bad little guy. Can you give me a worm? I'm gonna try a worm, see if there's a difference. I may catch more on a worm, you never know. And at least I got a chance of a bluegill. I'll take big bluegill. Yeah, we've never caught one out of here. We were just talking about that. We wondered if they were in here. That's a nice one. It's not bad. Guys, she just caught a warmouth on a pink and black roadrunner. That's so cool. Show it for her. Really cool. Can you hold it up? Egg. Can you hold it up? It's our very first warmouth out of this place. And we've actually been wondering if they were in here. There we are. Yeah. Cool. Huh. On a worm? It wasn't on the bottom, obviously. Just dangling somewhere. Huh. Yeah, that ain't bad. Of course, I got hung. Just don't. There we go. Oh, man. Whoa, what is this, a bullhead? Yes, it is. Giant bullhead. My goodness. Oh. It's a dang black bullhead or yellow. Black. Swallowed the hook, of course. Crappie?
Oh, big log.
Yeah. I don't know if I can get this or not. Me and her just got doubles, guys. She got a nice male bluegill and I got an ugly ass bullhead. Ugh. He swallowed it. I'm gonna have to get another hook.
That's a nice one.
Yeah. Ugh. The dreaded black bullhead. Goodness. Might be a yellow, actually. I don't mind brown bullheads. I just don't like them. It's not a bad one.
It's pretty good.
You.
Whoa, look at that.
Yeah, that's a nice bluegill there. I knew right away when I felt him pulling, it wasn't no.
Bigger than my hand.
Yeah. I like the blue on him, blue color. Oh yeah. Wilma just caught a really nice bluegill, guys. Hold it up for us, I guess. It's a nice bluegill. My goodness.
It's big, man.
Can you hold it up so I can film you?
It's big than
Wait.
this. Oh.
Here, hold it up though. Over there, hold it up. Man, there you go. Tilt it like you would do. Yeah, like that. That's a big bluegill.
Really big.
Yeah. Good job. It's starting to bite.
That's right.
Whoa!
The nose. Oh my god. 2 times.
You know, here, regardless, let me give you the minnows at least. So we're gonna sacrifice the bass for bluegill. She got another jumbo gill here. Are we sacrificing the bass for bluegill? Huh?
Yep.
What, you just want to stay here?
It's still touching.
So we ain't gonna get no big bass.
I don't know. Bluegill. Look at that.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
2 times. All is big. Number 3. I got a number 3 big.
I know.
4.
Man. There we go. Told you. Oh man, it's a giant. It ain't 4, but it's a good 3-pounder. That's all I asked for. One fish at the end of the day, and it paid off. I just kept casting this spinnerbait over and over, guys, along that shoreline. Oh yeah, he's a good 2 anyway. He ain't 3. It's a little 2. Maybe not even a full 2. Yeah, he's about 2. All right, finally. Okay. Here. Oh, this water's warm already. Paid off at the end. Not bad, guys. Got a weird dent on his bottom. Okay. Hey, it paid off. Not quite the one I wanted, but pretty decent. Not gonna complain. Alright guys, we are fishing for spawning shell crackers, aka red ears, and I just got a nice one. We are in 12 foot of water. This lake is gin clear. They are very smart. You have to use very light line, a heavy 1/4 ounce split shot, and you let your line fall to the bottom, and then you pick it up 6 inches and just hold it in place. I want you to get a good picture of me. He's 10 inches. That's the biggest one I've caught in a long time. I'll just do this, never mind. He's small enough I can do that. It's okay, I got it. It's a nice little red ear, guys. Don't worry about it. Just sit down, I got it. It's a small enough fish I can just do this. Nice little red ear. Wow, we just had to find them. Yeah, that's a good average. Oh my goodness. It sucks we ain't got more time. We figured them out though. At least this was a good trial experiment. We know how to do it now. You just gotta find them. I had him, as soon as it hit the bottom, he picked it up. You gotta go like that, let it fall. What a crappie, a nice crappie jigging for red ears with a worm and a 1/4 ounce split shot. Was lifting it up and down right at dark. Nice crappie too, man. Unexpected catch. Now we know there's crappie in this lake. Sweet. What a nice surprise, my goodness. Beautiful spawning male black. And we just put the canoe, I let her go to the restroom up here. So we just went right over this and still did not spook them. That is what boggles my mind about that there.